Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate. We've just done a lithium upgrade for the off-grid camping on this Snowy River. It's brand new, hasn't even been picked up by the customer yet. Come inside and I'll give you a look. Alright, so here we are in the van and here is where the magic happens. So what we've fitted is two Enerdrive 200 amp BTEC batteries. These are Enerdrive BTECs, 5-year warranty, 200 amps, manual restart battery, awesome feature, and a full Bluetooth battery as well. So these have got the full app capability to view each battery, what it's doing. The next thing we got here is a 60 amp Enerdrive 240 volt charger. So as soon as we plug the caravan in externally at a caravan park or at home, this charger will fire up and it'll charge these batteries at 60 amps. So it'll recover them quite quickly. Keeping on the chargers, so this is the Enerdrive DC to DC charger. So it will charge the batteries at 40 amps from the car. Plug car in while you're driving, your Anderson plug that you'll have fitted to your car. That thing will charge your batteries at 40 amps. And at the same time, if it's daytime, your solar regulator here, your 45 amp Morningstar TriStar, will charge from your solar as well. So this van will make about 30-35 amps. So your batteries will be charging at about 70 amps while you're driving, because the solar and the Anderson plug, alternator as such, will be charging your batteries at the same time. The other thing we do with this DC-DC charger, it's got its own built-in solar regulator, but it'll only do one or the other, that or DC-DC. So we've run an Anderson plug outside the van so the customer can install just plug in a folding panel, and that will give them more charge. Say if they park under a heap of trees for a few days and their bank's getting depleted, they can roll out a solar blanket or solar panel. That's pretty much everything in there. Oh yeah, sorry, I skipped the inverter. So the Enerdrive 2600 watt transfer inverter, so this full auto transfer. When you plug in at your caravan park, it'll just bypass it and your van will behave as it was built. As soon as you turn the inverter on, if there's no 240 volt, it takes power from your batteries, converts it into 240 volt and lights everything up in your van. So in this van we'll have range hood, microwave, air conditioning, washing machine, all the rest of it. Alright, so here we are. This is we turn on, if we want off-grid power, so we turn on our inverter. As soon as you hear the beep, there you go, that's the microwave firing up and the air conditioner coming into standby mode. And I'll use the hot water system just because it's a lot quicker. If you notice, we're making like 9.5 amps from the sun. That's just fluctuating as the clouds go over. It's a very, very cloudy day here. And just to show you what will happen, just turn on the hot water system, you'll see it's now a -70. So with the 10 amps coming in, we're using about 80 amps to heat up the hot water. We don't really recommend using the hot water off the batteries, but that was a good way to get the gauge to move fast for you. Alright, so here we are. We've got the Enerdrive app going. Batteries are sitting at 95%, and I'm drawing a lot of load on it just so you see it. At the moment we've got the hot water system and so on. So you'll see we're drawing 40 amps off one battery. We're actually drawing a total of 70 amps off the entire system. We're reading one battery at the moment, so 35 amps. That's the second screen. It's really the same screen, just in a different layout. So if you've just got yourself a Snowy River caravan and you want to get a full off-grid experience, feel free to put a comment below. Give us a call on 1300 227 353. If you want to learn more about our lithium upgrades, watch this video here, and YouTube thinks you should watch this video down here.